Okay, hi, once again, welcome to our tutorials for Google Docs. So for this video, I'm going to teach you on how to open and use our Google Docs and different options. Actually, Google Docs is almost the same with Microsoft Word, so it would not be that difficult for you to understand and use Google Docs. So let's start. In opening our Google Docs, here in our main panel, we're going to click the new button. Then there are different options, and we're going to choose Google Docs and hover our cursor here. We have two choices, a blank document and a template. So you know that blank document, you're going to start from scratch. But for these tutorials, we're going to use the template. So um, let's click the template. Let's choose a template. So when you click the template options, you're going to see different templates. We have for legal, for sales, for work, for resumes, letters, lesson plans. So we're going to use the ones for education. So let's try to use this one. So we're going to click this. Then it will open automatically. Okay. So this is what a template looks like depending on what will you choose. So all are sets for the titles, the font size, the color. You just need to edit the contents. Okay. So let's discuss all the options here. Let's start with file. Okay, so for file, this is the options that you're going to see here are share. If you want to make a new document, we're going to discuss share options later on other videos. So open new document or make a copy or a duplicate. Let's talk about this download. For downloading your modules, you can download it as Microsoft Word file if you want to edit it on our computer offline. And also, if we don't want to others edit our modules, or what we did is that we can download this into PDF document. Okay. We could also send this automatically as an attachment to our email. Then here, if you want to edit it, but um, our internet is not available, so we can still work it offline. So just click this one, choose this option. And for version history, we can check the versions, previous versions or the current versions that we are working on. Just remember that in Google Docs, we don't need to click Control S or save the document because Google Docs automatically saves the document if we are online. So there's no need to Control S or save the document from time to time. Okay, so if you want to rename this Google Docs file, we can choose this one, or we could click the title area of this document and edit it. So for example, biology 1, biology for day 1. Okay, day 1. So this is our lessons for day 1. So it will automatically rename our document. Okay, so if you want to move this, or if you want to put shortcut in our drive so that it could be easily accessed, or if you want to delete this or move this to trash. Okay, other options are publish to web, document details, what we want to know about the document, and the language we're using, and of course we can print this directly to our printer. Then the next option would be edit. So here is our undo redo, although nandito na siya. Okay. Then paste without formatting, and select all, Control A. So the shortcuts here are the same with our um, Microsoft Word. Okay. So for this one, view, ruler, document outline. If you want to view this as full screen, we can do so. Okay. So let's revert back to the old format. Okay. And here, if you want to insert image, table, drawing, chart, footnote, and special characters, headers, footers, comment, if you want to comment on what is written here. And we could also make a table of contents, which, as you can see here already, this is a table of contents. Okay. So in inserting image, links, I will discuss this on a separate file or video instructions. Okay. So for our format here, we can um, edit the paragraph styles, line spacing, columns, bullets, etc., etc. Although we can already see that here. Okay. And for add-ons, we can download add-ons that could help in our Google Docs. You can add or download Grammarly to check the grammar of your work. So I always use that. It gives me a lot of help. Okay. So here you can see last edit was 3 minutes ago. So if ever I type my name here or I do something on the Google Docs, so we can see here, it will automatically save. Okay. So here, as you can see here, um, if we share this to someone, we can comment here, put a comment, or if you want to share here, there's a shortcut for sharing. So basically, this is your Google Docs. So it's really like the MS Word. Okay. So here in this panel, we can see the other add-ons. Okay. So, okay. So if you have questions about this one, you can ask your instructor um and watch the other videos for how to insert link, share these documents, make a copy, and download Google Docs into a file and convert PDF to Google Docs. Okay, thank you very much.